Biafra national security, farming, food sufficiency and safety remain top priority for IPOB. As the next farming season approaches, the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has renewed its long-standing call for Biafrans to prioritize agriculture as a cornerstone of national security and survival. The message echoes a hard-learned lesson from history. During the Nigerian Civil War, 1967-1970, starvation proved to be one of the most devastating weapons deployed against the people of Biafra. Following the failure to implement the Aburi Accord, a 1967 agreement reached in Ghana between Nigerian leader Yakubu Gowon and Eastern Region leader Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu that aimed to prevent conflict through greater regional autonomy, tensions escalated. Biafra declared independence as a survival measure amid pogroms and existential threats. Nigeria responded with a war that included a naval blockade of the Bight of Biafra, cutting off international trade routes and exacerbating internal disruptions to farming. The resulting famine claimed hundreds of thousands to over 1 million lives, mostly civilians, and remains a defining trauma for the region. IPOB leaders argue that reliance on external sources, particularly adversaries for essential commodities like food, represents a critical national security risk. The group stresses that allowing potential enemies to control food supplies could repeat the vulnerabilities of the past. Instead, they urge a return to the land, reviving ancestral agricultural strengths that once sustained Biafran communities. IPOB emphasizes intensive farming across Biafra's fertile lands to achieve food sufficiency and security. Recommended crops include staples and cash crops such as yam, cassava, maize, rice, cocoyam, plantain, and banana, vegetables, oil palm, cocoa, rubber. The directive builds on previous appeals, including calls for investment in agriculture over short-term palliatives, and for the Eastern Security Network, ESN, to provide protection for farmers in the Southeast. The vision is clear: shift from one family, one farm to one family, one big modern farm, leveraging modern techniques while honoring traditional self-reliance. Ensuring food sufficiency and security is a top priority. The statement reads, "The first war was lost, but the conquest was unsuccessful by the Whiskers. A divine miracle. This time around there will be no loose guard." The communique links current efforts to the broader Biafran self-determination struggle. It recalls how the war's blockade and disruptions to internal stability caused far more damage than direct combat in some areas. With IPOB's emergence accelerating global awareness of Biafran aspirations, the group warns against complacency, viewing food security as essential to withstanding any future pressures. Biafrans are encouraged to play a frontal role in agro-development, reducing dependence on imports from outside the region and building resilience. This aligns with earlier IPOB broadcasts and releases urging heavy investment in agriculture during planting seasons to avert famine risks and support long-term independence goals. Family writers Press International fully endorses this initiative as a practical step toward empowerment. In a region blessed with rich soil and industrious people, returning to the basics of farming is presented not merely as economic advice, but as a patriotic duty and survival strategy. As the rains approach, the call is urgent: cultivate the land, secure the future, and safeguard Biafra's sovereignty through self-sufficiency. Family Writers Press International.